Yukti Bhashya Chuni and Tika. But there are many great acharyas that happened in the past, and I have compiled what important literatures of those acharya. Literature is vast, but here I have picked the selected topics and selection. Okay, uh, category I'm talking about. Okay, that one. Then I'm going to list the books and the acharya's name and what is their category. Okay, so here you can see the Jain literature classification, metaphysics, spiritual and philosophy, meditation, karma, and I put the Prakrut name also, yoga and dhyan. Okay, that's the English name. And you can see conduct or charlana yoga, all right, ritual, all these categories, which acharya I am going to just can give you little flavor of it. How many acharyas, and that's why I put a code. A means metaphysics or tattva. B means spiritual philosophy. This particular book, what they have written, uh, the independent work, okay, it it is majority of them is adhyatma or meditation or yoga or dhyan, okay, or karma, okay, logic, conduct, morality. These are the high level classifications. No, I put it, okay, astronomy, like Lok Swarup, geography type things, okay, story or biographies, ritual and sutras, dharma and poetries, okay, figure of speech, alankar, okay. Jain acharyas have done such a great work. Dictionaries, dictionary, course, or lokagnan, grammar, mathematics, astrology, Jyotish. Can you believe the Jainacharyas have written great amount of work on Jyotish, physics, Padarth Vignan, politics, Rajniti, Rajniti. All right. You can imagine their contribution in various aspects of it. Okay. Now, here are some listings, some Jain authors and their work. On the first century, Digambara Acharya, Kunkunda Acharya. Okay. And Kunkunda Acharya is like a great respect in the Digambar sect. It carries significantly great respect. And their books are considered part of the four Anuyugas. Like people read and practice Jainism, Digambar sect, okay, based on that Acharya, Kunkundacharya written it, okay. Ashtapahur, Barasanu Ekha, Das Bhakti Granth, Niyam Sar, Panchastikay, Pravachan Sar, Samay Sar. These are the few of whatever the books he has written. I've listed it. Among all these books, Samay Sar carries the highest respect among Digambar sect. Okay, Samay Sar is unbelievably good in a sense that it carries the philosophy of soul. It explains philosophy of soul from Nishchay and Vyavhar point of view, both ways. So you don't misunderstand something. Okay, Vyavhar is the one you practice it. Nishchay is the one your dhyan, your attention, that you don't deviate that. Vyavhar is based on the time, place, and circumstances. But Nishchay, it is uniform, same, no matter what time, place, and circumstances you are in. Okay? So that's if you really want to study it, That's the Samaysar is a book. Uh, there are many other books, okay? I'm not denying that one, but this one carries the highest respect in Digambar sect, okay? The second Acharya is the Umaswati or Umaswami. He is known by two names. Umaswati is in Svetambar tradition, they recognize him that way. Umaswami, it is Digambar Acharya. And now he is the one, the book Tatvat Sutra. This is carries also a very high respect because it is accepted by both Digambar and Svetambar. Okay, there are very few book which is being accepted by Digambar and Svetambar, same book. Okay, Tatvat Sutra is one of them. Okay, Sanmati Tark is another one. Okay, so that is written by Acharya Siddhasen Divakar Suri. Okay, but what I'm trying to just bring it out here. And then there is a Prashamrati Prakran and Tatvarth Bhashya. The Tatvat Bhashya means it is the Tika of Tatvat Sutra, Bhashya Tika. Okay, and it is written by Umaswati. So he wrote the Tatvat Sutra and then he explained the Tatvat Sutra in the Tatvat Bhashya. Prashamrati Prakran is independent. It is a really a very high respectable book among Shwetambar tradition. It's okay. Then the Siddhasen Divakar Suri or Gandhahasti, that's the second name in the 5th century. And that is the, you can just go ahead and see and read the books, all these among Nyaya Avatar, Sanmati Tarka, Tatvarth Bhashya. Okay, Siddhasen Divakar Suri also written the Tatvat Sutras commentary, which is also Siddhasen's Tatvarth Bhashya, and so on and so forth. Samantpatra, okay, that is also on the 5th century. Apta Mimamsa, Ratnakaran, Sravakachar, okay. Some acharyas are, no, Digambar, some acharyas, traditional is Svetambar, some are combined. So, you can just see, because both sect uses the book, all right. Apta Mimamsa, Ratnakaran, Sravakachar, Shruti Vidya, okay, and Swayambhu Stotra. So some people have written the stotras, philosophy, this one, and I gave you the classification things there. Pujyapad or Acharya Devnandi, 6th century, Ishtopadis, you can read about the Samadhi Sataks and so and so forth, Siddhi, Priyanka. So you can imagine all these sutras and their literatures and everything. Sky is the limit. Whatever your desire is to learn, you can learn this kind of the things. It's a vast literature is available to your fingertips. Akalank Acharya on the 7th century. Okay. Uh, uh, so you can just read the sutra. I have little throat problem, so I'm trying to slow down. Okay, so you can just read that one. Now, you can, the 8th century Acharya Haribhadra Suri, which carries the greatest respect among the Jain community. Okay, and it is said Acharya Haribhadra Suri, the 8th century Acharya, he has written like more than 1400 books, compilation in many, many different aspects of Jainism. All right. And you can just look at it, all the names, okay, Dharma Bindu means all Dhyan Sutra, okay, Yog Sutras, all right, stories like Lalit Vistra, okay, Nandi Sutra, Nyaya Pravesh, okay, These are the many, many literature that is been written by the Haribhadra Suri. And you can just continue also Haribhadra Suri's listings. Okay, here are the books on meditation and yoga, Yog Bindu, Yog Drashti Samuchay, Yog Shatak, all right. Like even 100 years ago, like Srimad Rajchandra carries significantly high respect, the Yog Drashti Samuchay. And in one of his later, he's recommending every Jains should read daily Yog Drashti Samuchay. You will find significantly like Gita. Okay, but Gita is not like something you read once and put it aside. You got to read every day. Okay, few sloks. Every day you revitalize yourself. Okay. Similarly, uh, uh, our Pandit Dhirlal Mehta, he has written the he has translated the Yog Drashti Samuchay in Gujarati. Well, he has done all yoga's book, Yog Bindus, Yog Shatak, and they are also available from e-library. Freely download, okay, and you can read it. Acharya Vidyanand ji, Apta, uh, Apta Pariksha, Ashta Astis, Nyay Viyaram. So you can just look at it, the Acharya Vidyanand, these books also, Tattva Slok Vinsika, and so forth. So you can just see these are the various top categories, and I give you the list of A, B, C, what it means, which belongs. It belongs to which category, right? Then the Nemichandra Siddhant Chakravarti on 10th century, and that's a Gomatsar Jiv Kand, Gomatsar Karma Kand, okay, Labdhi Sar, okay, Trilok Sar. There are many important books, and that also comes to Digambar uh, four Anyugs, Char Anyug. Okay. Acharya Somdev is also in the 10th century. Adhyatma Tarangini, Niti Vakyani Kirti, okay, and many other things if you look at it. All right. So that is the 10th century books. Now comes another very important Acharya, Acharya Hemchandracharya. Okay. And he has done significant amount of work like Acharya Haripadra Suri of the 8th century. Okay. Abhidan Chintamani, Ak, Ak, Alankar Chudamanis. Okay. So you can just read these things. Okay. Deshi Nammala is one of the like grammar's book. Okay. Grammatical things. So you learn the things out. Okay. Mahadev Stotra. Now, can you imagine Lord Shiva Stotra? The book is written by Acharya Hemchandracharya. The Mahadev Stotra. Now, people, those who are so traditional, oh, this is Shiva. That's the Hindus' literature. It is not us. Our acharyas, Haribhadra Suri or Hemchandracharyas and Yashovijijis and all other acharyas, they look at the intent and what is the purpose, meaning, okay? If it is the same thing as a Jain, it is also Jain literature. That's how they did it, okay? It is later on, we are becoming so narrow-minded. And when we do that narrow-minded, then you got to at least remember the Haribhadra Suris, Hemchandracharyas, Yashovijiji, and so forth. Okay, those who have taken Hindu literatures and write commentaries on it. Okay, that Paramatma Prakash, and these things. So Acharya Hemchandracharya, still continuation. If you look at Century, is the so many books when you look into it. One of the highest contributors, Haribhadra Suri, even though Haribhadra Suri written like 1444 books, today we are not able to find not more than 180 out of 1444 that is been recorded, and somewhere around less than 200 books are available or preserved now of Acharya Haribhadra Suri. Hemchandracharya occur after 4 centuries, means on the 12th century, we find more books available of the Hemchandracharya. And same thing with the Yashovijayji, which is 16th century. Okay, so we find more of those work is been preserved. Okay, so all the Yoga Sutras, Yoga Vinsika, Yoga Vritti, so people are least knowledgeable about Jain meditations, Jain yogs, okay, while we have a significant work done on those things, and not many Jainacharyas are delivering the sermons on those kind of the books, okay, those kind of the topics, and make you familiar of it, okay. Yashovijayji is in 18th century, just a few centuries ago. Okay, and you can see Adhyatma Supratiksha, Adhyatma Shar, okay, uh, all these books, same thing, Gnan Bindu Sar, okay, Jain Tark Paribhasha, Nyay Pradeep, Nyay Rahasya, all the Nyay or logics books are written here, okay, Updesh Mala, and so on and so forth. So these are the kind of a overview what I have explained in the Jain literature presentation. If you need a copy of the presentation, send an email, and Sejal will send you out. So send that email, and she may have sent it out, or she may send you again, if you are new. But at least this way, you have it with you, this presentation. So what I like to do, I'd like to conclude the presentation here. I would like to open the question and give you a little bit more time on questions. This way, we can understand it. All right? Go ahead if you have any questions.